Ever wondered if magic is just science we don't understand yet? This thought-provoking question leads us to a realm where magic and science intersect. Magic tricks often hinge on scientific principles, turning the art of illusion into a fascinating spectacle. From optical illusions that bedazzle our eyes to levitation tricks that defy gravity, and card tricks that baffle our brains, these are all enchanting examples of where art meets science. Now prepare to have your mind blown as we reveal the science behind these magical phenomena. Optical illusions, a favorite tool of magicians, but what's the science behind it? Well, it all starts with our brain's interpretation of visual data. You see, our brains are wired to make sense of the world through patterns and assumptions. Optical illusions play on these expectations to create surprising and confounding effects. Consider the spinning dancer illusion. Is she spinning clockwise or counterclockwise? Your answer might change based on how your brain interprets the ambiguous image. Or take the rabbit duck illusion, a simple sketch that can appear as either a rabbit or a duck, depending on your viewpoint. These illusions work because they exploit our perception. They manipulate the way our brains process visual information, forcing us to see things that aren't there or perceive things in a way that contradicts reality. So the next time you're baffled by an optical illusion, remember, it's not magic, it's your brain. Levitation, a classic of magic tricks, but is it really supernatural? Well, let's take a closer look. Levitation tricks are a perfect blend of science and art, a testament to the power of human ingenuity and creativity. At the heart of these tricks lie three fundamental principles: balance, distraction, and perspective. Balance involves the careful positioning of the body, often aided by hidden supports, to create the illusion of floating. Distraction, on the other hand, is a psychological technique that magicians use to divert the audience's attention away from their secret moves. Now, let's talk about perspective. This is where the magic really happens. By manipulating the audience's viewpoint, magicians can make it appear as though they or their assistants are levitating. It's all about creating a convincing illusion that defies our understanding of the world around us. So, levitation isn't about defying gravity, it's about mastering the art of deception. Card tricks, a staple of magic shows. But what's really at play here? These tricks often hinge on psychological elements, misdirection and suggestion. Misdirection is all about diverting your attention, making you look one way while the real action happens elsewhere. Suggestion, on the other hand, subtly influences your predictions, steering you toward a particular outcome. It's a clever dance of expectation and reality performed by the magician. So, card tricks aren't about luck or psychic powers, they're about understanding the human mind. So, is magic just science in disguise? Yes, in many ways it is. The mesmerizing optical illusions we enjoy are grounded in the science of perception. Levitation tricks, while mind-boggling, are often a clever application of physics. And card tricks? They exploit psychological principles, manipulating our attention and memory. These examples of everyday magic are not conjured from thin air, but rely on the fascinating interplay of science and psychology. Next time you witness a magic trick, remember, it's not just magic, it's science.